I'm gonna do it. Oh my gosh. I'm getting the shuttle. Because people keep saying it's the best one. Okay, that's the price for the non-bundle. Let's look at the bundle. Okay, general admission with shuttle. Let's see what any fees would be. Huh. Oh, would you look at that? You're saving by $26 by bundling it. Okay, cool. I'm nervous of like doing this because it's like a commitment for the stress and exhaustion that inevitably comes with festival concerts. Like I've done the Austin one. Saw Paul McCartney. It was awesome. But we're freaking exhausted. That was 2 days and it's like not the same level as Coachella. It's like 2 tiers above maybe, or a tier above. What do I think about this more logistically? And then commit. Because you only live once and I have the time. I usually don't as far as work. Okay. Jesus, look at that unholy countdown. They only give you 2 options though. This page is gonna refresh. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna read it before the page refreshes. I guess I'm not international, so I gotta do Will Call at Coachella. Okay. Well, this seems nice. Okay, round 2. Alright, the unholy price of $700, but then again, you're seeing all of those people. And usually concert tickets are like, depending on the concert, I guess, like average 200. You know, you can get cheaper tickets sometimes too if you want to be in the back or if it's general admission, and depending on what concert, but like, you know. Still money. All right, adds another extension of timing to pick what you're gonna pay with, and another extension, protect your ticket or not. It mentioned inclement weather on the ticket insurance. I'm looking at the weather and it seems I'm good. Again, weather can shift a bit, but I think I'm fine. Fingers crossed. Okay, after all that, I'm ready. We're going to Coachella. Moment of silence. For the love of God. I know things can get hectic, but I pray that my health and sanity will remain. Thank you. After that quick prayer, let's go. I thought I should include that I had an extra hour to really think about it. And I'm just gonna go. Yellow. Literally an hour later of overthinking. I'm confirming. Here we go. If it fails, I'm gonna count this as oh my god. I was gonna say if it fails, it's gonna think this is the universe telling me not to go, but it worked. See you at Coachella. Oh my god, now they want feedback on shit. The official live stream, which I'll watch of weekend 1. See how it compares to in person. I've done it. My first ever Coachella. I've done it. I'm gonna have like a rest day because I know I'm gonna be exhausted. And I have to stay at the venue. I don't know if you can shuttle in or out like multiple times a day because I'm an introvert and I'm going to be overwhelmed. But we got this. I'll have an action plan. Okay. It all started with Lana Del Rey wanting to know when her next concert is, because I've been listening to her music for the past few days. There it is. Coachella. Here's the 2024 lineup. What the fuck, do I have to click this? Lineup. The fuck, where is it? Like, where is it, bro? Alright, same day about the tickets, by the way. I booked king-sized suite. Look at that. This is important. Palm Springs, California. They are obviously mimicking the look of Greece. Love it. It's a boutique hotel. Excited to stay here and look at the mountains. Cute. Is that it? No, there's more. Da 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 da. Oh, okay, we're good. I'm pretty sure this is one of those like weird moments, but I found out about Weekend to Coachella at like 2 or 3. Now I have the tickets and hotel booked. It's 5 p.m. Literally was not thinking about Coachella at all. Now I'm thinking about how I'm gonna get there, because it'll be a 22-hour drive. I'm leaving New Jersey Saturday the 13th to be in Texas. And I'm realizing that to drive there with my pace, I'll need 4 days from Texas, which means I would land on Saturday, start making the road trip Sunday or Monday. So will I have even enough energy to be in Coachella? Oh my god. This is gonna be interesting.